Hi, in this video I'm going to cover the Elite Sports Ab Roller Wheel. This exercise roller wheel has two wheels for extra stability, comes fully assembled, and has a very comfortable non-slipped handle. It's a one-piece construction unit and weighs under 1.5 pounds. It's not meant to be taken apart, which makes it sturdier than other types of ab rollers. The two-wheel system, which is made of hard plastic, provides more stability than a single wheel design, so when you're using it, you'll have more confidence doing exercises to help perform a correct rollout that efficiently works for your core. The handles are made of a combination of hard plastic and soft rubber knobs that provide a nice grip that make it comfortable to hold during your workouts. The wheels are about 6 inches in diameter and can be used on most floor surfaces like tile, carpet, or hardwood floors. End to end, the unit is about 1 foot long, with each individual handle a little over 4 inches long. The space between the two wheels is about 1 inch, and with all these measurements in mind, it's small enough but not too bulky to fit into a bag for travel. So let's see how this wheel works with a rollout exercise. Taking some tips from Jeff Cavaliere of Athlean.x, by the way, has a great YouTube channel. We'll need to focus on setting up the exercise correctly, then do the rollout to extend without overextending, and pull back with the hips and the wheel together. Now the goal of this exercise is to feel the contraction and extension in your abs, not your shoulders or back, even though you'll feel it there. As I mentioned before, the roller can be used on a wide variety of surfaces like hardwood floors shown here. However, on hard surfaces, it's probably a good idea to have your knees on some kind of foam or padding. I've been using the Elite Sports Ab Roller for several months now and found it a high quality product and expect to be using it for quite a long time. If you're thinking about getting the ab roller, check out some sponsor links in the description below. Thanks for watching.